Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're reviewing the Velura JetFlow Cannon Pro, a product that claims to cut cleaning time from hours to minutes. But is it really worth your money? Or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. This device promises powerful cleaning for cars, wheels, windows, patios, and even outdoor mess, all with minimal effort. Sounds impressive, right? But claims like these often raise red flags, especially online. The Velura JetFlow Cannon Pro is basically a high-pressure water spray attachment. It says it can deep clean surfaces quickly, remove dirt, grime, and mud easily, work on multiple surfaces like cars, walls, and patios, save time and effort compared to traditional cleaning. Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which sounds reassuring. But let's dig deeper. Here's the truth. Products like this are not new. Similar pressure spray tools are already available in the market at much lower prices. Many websites selling this product use overly dramatic before/after videos, don't provide real brand transparency, have limited or no verified customer reviews, often rely on dropshipping, meaning you might receive a lower quality item. Also, performance depends heavily on your home water pressure, so results may not match the ads. Pros: easy to use, multi-purpose cleaning, affordable compared to full pressure washers. Cons: may be overpriced on certain websites. Results may not match advertised power. Risk of low-quality material from unknown sellers. So, is the Velura JetFlow Cannon Pro worth it? It's not exactly a scam, but it's also not as powerful as advertised. If you can find it at a reasonable price from a trusted seller, it might be useful. Otherwise, be cautious. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews. Stay smart, stay safe, and avoid scams. Thank you.